Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm back on here again because I have another parcel to unwrap and I'm so excited, all these parcels. This is from Carole Allman and she is from the United Kingdom. And I'm just going to get into here and bring out the parcel. Make sure I didn't leave my other cards here in my hand. Look at that, there's a card. Thank you everybody that made me a card. I think everybody made me a card. Oh, thank you Karen. Get at it. I'll get in here, nobody panic. Oh, look at this. Have a nice day. Aren't they dear little pets? Look at them. Oh, look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Dear little fish. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. And we have a little note in here, and it says, "Hi Sonia, I'd love to enter your draw for the 5-year giveaway. I enclose a bit of fabric plus another bit with the gypsy book in mind. LOL. Sorry, this card is a bit odd inside. You see, I made it as a birthday card, and a few weeks ago I had to cover up birthday greetings, so I can send it to you. That's perfectly fine. It's good, all artwork, isn't it? Yes." And your channel is Polly-N99. Hello, Polly-N99. I do know who you are, darling. That's Carole. Thank you so much. I won your challenge, didn't I? And I will show you what I bought with the money later on, okay? I'm sure that's it, Polly-Ann. I hope so. I've got the right person. So anyway, she said confined to bed at the moment, so it's a matter of being inventive. Well, I think you did a really good job, darling. I really appreciate you fixing the card up to send to me. That's very kind of you. And you have your address in that there, so I can't show. All I can show people. Look, she did me a really good job of the fixing me card. Thank you so much, and I do love it. Thank you, darling. That's very nice of you to do that for me. Thank you. And she sent me some nice fabric. Look at this. I'm so lucky. I am so lucky. I got all you lovely people out there looking after me. Dear, oh dear. You've spoilt me, I think, a bit. Oh dear. Oh dear, look at this. Which one's good? I'll look at this one first, eh? Let's look at this one first. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Look at this. Oh dear, this is nice. Oh, look at that bit. Thank you. That is lovely. Look at that. That's going to be nice on one of my tags. And this piece of green, I do love that. Thank you. And this yellow piece. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Isn't that so fine? Look at that. It's really, really beautiful. Oh, I do love that. It's very hard to come by yellow, you know, in lacy things. And that's beautiful. Thank you so much for that, darling. I do love that, Carole. I hope I'm calling you by the right name. I've got so many names in my head. Yes, Carole. Look at this. I nearly missed this one. I nearly missed. She sent me a horseshoe. Oh, goody. Oh, that's very nice. Thank you. I'll be putting that on something that I'll be keeping myself. Okay, that's all right. Oh, look at this. Wow. Isn't that nice? Oh, that feels so soft. Oh, my hands are getting rough as anything and they're getting all stuck to it. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Isn't that lovely? Thank you. And this nice piece. Oh, yeah. Beautiful colour. Isn't that a beautiful colour? Make beautiful flowers, that would. Beautiful colour for flowers. Thank you very much, Carole. That is so lovely. I really do love it all. Thank you very much, darling. And I do hope that you can get out of the bed soon and you'll be okay. Okay? Take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you later. And I really appreciate everybody sending me things, even though you're not well. You know, that's very nice of you to send me to this and to make me that special card. I really appreciate that, darling. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Bye, everybody.